First of all, good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to all of you for having me this opportunity. So we are going today. We are going to group discussion. The topic is time versus money. So this team is going to support time, and this team is going to support money. So we are gonna start. So my first point is that time is very precious for us. If we want to earn money, so firstly we have to give our time to it. If we are preparing for anything, for JEE, NEET, UPSC, any exam, so firstly we have to give our time to it. After that, if we will get AIMS or government college, so government colleges provide us only free facilities, everything. They only want our time. They don't need our money. So for becoming a doctor, IAS and engineer, anything, firstly we have to pay our time, not money.
Thank you to all to give me that opportunity. As you say, that we have to give a time for preparing anything. But as for me, I am preparing from UPSI. But first of all, I have to pay an online application form, which is called a 500 rupees. After that, I give my time on it for preparing. So for me, money is important for applying. Then after I give that time.
Thank you for having me this opportunity to speak in front of you. As you said that firstly you have to give money. After that you can crack your exams. But firstly we have to prepare for the exams. When the exams is coming about to come, then that time we'll have to pay the money. Firstly we have to give time for the exam, for the preparing the exam. After that will, and I have that much money that we can pay fees for the form. Thank you, sir, for having this opportunity to share my points in front of us. So the topic is that time versus money. So I'm supporting money because, as you said that, ma'am, I'm agree with your points. But firstly, we need money. Like before preparing for an exam, any exam. So firstly, we need money, like purchasing books and course also, and apply a application for examination form also, and this type of things also need money. So how can you say that only time is important better than money? Hi everyone, thank you all. You give me opportunity to speak something about the topic. As you said, money is important for preparing exam. Money is important for purchasing books. But if you can purchase books, and you can apply for exam for money and just because of money. But if you don't have time to read book, then how can you say book is if book is enough for you? How you can say, means if you don't, you can purchase book just because of you have money. But if you don't have time to read the book, then why book is क्या बोलेंगे why book is no. Why book is helpful for you? How only money is, how can you say this money is only important for to complete, means to crack any exam and any kind of thing? If you don't have time, you don't have time to spend your money. Then up means why we need money if we don't have time to spend it?
So thank you everyone. So my I'm supporting money, and as you said, money time is more important. Time is more important. You have book, but you don't have time to read it. Then is you it's not useful, right? It's not gonna help. Yeah, you're right. But what if you're eager to something? You're eager to crack the exam. You have like
you're way talented, but you don't know what is the specific, like what criteria you have to need to crack that exam, what syllabus you don't know about the syllabus. But and you and let's suppose you know about the syllabus, but it's not that easy. Like I want to say that, like for example, you said aims and like that medical exams. Okay, for medical field, for educational field, there is a specific syllabus that you need to learn to crack the exam, and they provide specific books for that. Okay, but you don't have money for that, to buy that specific book that gonna help you. So what will you do then? You have lots of time, you have lots of talent, but you don't have money to buy that specific book. Who's gonna help you? Who? Who, who's gonna help you in your exam to crack the exam? Then everything is just waste. Okay.
And you said that we have to purchase book, but you don't know that AIMS provide us book, food, everything freely. They provide us book. They provide us everything freely. Like you said, we have to purchase. We don't have to purchase. They provide freely book, freely food, freely education, everything. You only have to crack NEET for that thing.
As you say, कि AIMS provided us freely. Then the AIM direct call you. Then that you come here and give our services. No. First of all, you have to crack their exams, and that's why you have to prepare this. Fill NEET examination form. Then you have to taking online classes or offline classes, which of these you have to use money and time also. But first of all, you have to money for preparing those things.
As you said that you have to give money for preparing for those things, but you don't know that firstly we have to prepare for the thing what we want. After that, and we have to that much money that we can fill the form of the examination form. And the when time will go, the time will never come again, and the and when you are spend your money, money will come back your uh, you can earn money at any age, but you can't earn time in any age. I just said that, ma'am. I'm not against to you. You're right, but in some places like I have some examples. Money can create your own identity. There's example in front of us like Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani is create your own identity by money, and Elon Musk also creates your own identity by money, not only time. Thank you, ma'am. I agree with your point, but I think you don't need money to create your identity. Actually, you need your skill to create your identity. You don't need money. Lots of people is over there. They don't have money, but they can create. They could create. They सर क्या होगा they can create their own identity. They don't need money. If you have talent, you have guts, you can create your identity. You don't need money and such kind of things. And I think is time is more important than money, just because you can buy all the things by money, but you can't buy your time. If time goes fly, then you can't back again. If you want to young again, if you want to go into your childhood, you don't buy with money. So I think time is most precious and important for life, not for money, instead of money.
So firstly, you said money is not important if you're not skilled. Yes, yes. So you are very skilled, you're very talented, like way too hardworking. But if you don't have that specific source, that specific, no, I'm not angry. I'm not agree with you. No, I'm not agree with you. At this point, I'm not agree with you. Okay, I'm not saying that money will come to you easily. It's not that easy. Okay, you have to do hard work for this, for money. You need to be skilled for that. You need to be talented for that. But your money is important in every aspect of your life, in your living, in your like every expenses, for your food, for your clothes, like every necessary things in your life. You need money in every step, in every like everything you wanna do. You need money. You're hungry, you need money for food. You feel cold in winters, you need money for clothes, right? You need education. You have to pay the fees for your education. You wanna do something, you wanna earn something, like earn means you wanna get something for your happiness, for your like if you have a child, suppose your child see lots of things, like you go with your child with a fair, like carnival, and your child wants something that is popping her eyes, that is so beautiful, and your child wants that. Ki, mama, can you buy me that? I want that thing. So if you buy for him, he'll be very happy. Happiness comes to money. Okay, I'm not saying in every aspect, in every time, money give you happiness, but we can't deny for that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I agree with your point, but you said that for education we have to pay money firstly. So for we can see like from nursery education. Firstly, we have to give our time to it. For nursery, we have to suffer a lot for learning only ABCD. Not money is essential for that time. And like you said, Mukesh Ambani is known as by the money. But you also know about the Mahatma Gandhi. He has no money. He don't have money. And you also know about the Newton. He also didn't have money, but still they are famous just because of the talent, because they spend their time to it. That's why they are famous. This is totally wrong. That you are gonna famous by your money. You can gonna famous by your skills, by your talent. And you said that like if we wanna study something, we wanna get education. So money is everything. So it is not good. For learning something, for getting something, we also have to give our time to it. That's why time is more precious. You can earn money at any age, but you can't earn time at any age. If time is one time gone, then you never get the time again.
Yes, ma'am. The time, if agar if time flies away, it will never come again. But I am a skilled also. I am a state player of volleyball. But I can't play for national team because of money. Because I don't have a no, because of money. Because I don't have pay money. Because I source come from money, but they ask me for money for fees, but I don't able to pay it. So that's why I'm not able to play at national team. I'm
Okay, you said that you are just not play in national team just because of you don't have money. Okay, but I think if you have talent, you are selected by government. That there is no need to money. Government is pay for you.
they
Government
also need the money. But
no they
I'm playing I'm playing from government. KD Singh Babu Stadium
Okay.
is also a government stadium. But after that, I need a money for playing a national team, for buy accessories, for buy my volleyball, my kit, my jersey.
No. Okay, sorry. If you have talent, if you are selected by government, if you are if you are playing if you are played in any state level and national level game, this is the government responsibility. They will provide all the things, your jersey, your means your things which you want to use in your game, and everything, each and everything provided by government. You don't need
But
to
I'm not
spend a single penny of this.
direct. I'm not playing from government. After we started, I have to skill for pay the fees of stadium.
No,
After that, I
ma'am.
have to pay a fees for my jersey, and I have
You
to.
don't need to pay to for your jersey if you have selected for national level or state level. Government provide you all the things. Not a single penny you used to do.
To her.
Yes.
Sam, no, you said government will provide her.
Yes. All the
Pro-
things.
government need to provide her all the things she needs.
Hmm.
Okay, but your government is the higher level. If we think about it, like,
But your local government can provide you all the things. Your
but it's not
DM, your
happening, ma'am. It's not happening.
it's happening.
It's
Jab,
not
first
happening.
you show your skill.
she's
First
she's
you need
she
to show
is
your
saying,
skill.
she is sharing her
Maybe she's
own
sharing.
story,
Yes,
her own
yeah. I'm
experience.
not against her. I'm not against
You are
her.
not a
I'm just
volleyball
saying.
player, volleyball player.
I'm not volleyball player. I'm just saying. If you are selected by any platform, in government, in any government platform, that is government responsibility to take care of you and to provide all the things for you.
That's why I'm saying you're right. You're not wrong.
Yes.
The government needs to provide her
Yes.
every essential things she
Yes.
needs
She needs.
for volleyball, for his game career. Okay, sports career. But it's not.
Firstly,
Let me.
he.
You said it.
Okay.
You said it. Let me complete. But it's not happening in real life. Okay, in
In
uh,
our district.
in our district, like in district level, it's not happening. Or you said कि government will select here every
If
select
government select
if
you.
you are saying if. So what how will you define,
First,
like,
you prove your skill, na. You know,
she
one second. You know the cricket player Tinku Singh. He's belong to very poor family. His father is a delivery boy of cylinders. He's belong to very poor family. Don't have money. He's working for your survival in a वो क्या बोलते हैं उसे ठेला ठेले पे वो पानी पूरी बेचता था पुश कार्ट पर and but just because they prove they have he proved he have skill. He selected in a state level, then he selected in IPL, and all the things provided by government. His father and they don't have money. So if you want to select it in any level, first you can prove that you are worthy for them.
but
Then
there are
government provide
lots
you,
of
na.
but there are lots of children who are not get recognized, not get recognized like that, like if some media came and said ki, oh, he's the boy, he's doing push card work and his father is just a delivery boy, then he earned that emotional word, like, so society से उसे एक emotional that
First I want
he
to
get
say,
that
okay.
emotional thing from the society, from, and then media, then government see that, oh, we have to do this thing, we have to do something for this child, because everyone knows that what is going on with the child, and if he is not that much capable, he'll easily get that क्या मतलब उसे वो सारी सर्विसेज मिल जाएंगी, because there are lots of things like government को भी government wants to show that he is doing something for society. So there, this is the other thing. Okay, but there are lots of students, children, people who are not yet recognized because they are not too below. They are not too upper and not too that below. They are in middle phase. Okay.
You know, no, one second. That they all are in middle phase because of they don't want to show his talent. They don't want to show his capabilities. That they if they want to show his capabilities and his capabilities, they can show everything and they can do everything, and the government will recognize by his capabilities, by his talent, and by his skills. Everyone will be recognized by his
Yeah,
skills.
I can give you answer. If I firstly I want to say where there is a will, there is a way. If you want to do anything, if you are determined, you want to selected in national level, and if you want to play basketball and any kind of games, just firstly you have to determine in your mind. If you determine in your mind, you don't need to any person and any kind of support. Lots of things in social media you have for, you can play, you can upload your videos, and lots of people who scroll reels, they can recognize you.
Ma'am, it's not the topic of willpower. It's the topic of time versus money. So let's
I
stick to
just
that.
answering your things. I'm not saying about the time and money.
That's not the answer I want.
Okay, I got to point, but I am just saying what she said.
You're speaking about willpower. It's
Yeah.
not about willpower. It's about time and money.
You said
Your
about
will,
time.
your,
You said about money. You said you don't said about money.
I
You
was, I just
actually you said
answered your
yes.
question.
You're saying about this.
I just answered your question. You said कि there's a boy who government selected
Yes.
them. Uh,
Opportunity. Yeah. He gave his time. He gave his time. He proved
That's why
himself.
I'm
Then he
telling
get
you. I'm
yes.
telling you.
Yeah.
This is the other topic. Okay. He got
He
some.
gave his
let's say
time.
He
He
was
gave his time.
he was
He
lucky that
he
media
was
found
not
him.
lucky.
I'm That's why I'm
Okay.
answering. You're giving the wrong example.
No.
That's why I'm telling you कि
Okay.
we don't need that example. Give me that example who is only depend on time and money. Okay. Yeah.
I'm giving your point. You know about the IS Divya Tawar? She don't have a time, but still she was doing hard work for the UPSC exam, and then she got select in the UPSC exam, and she don't have a money. She only lives in a one room.
Can I have some examples? So also have some examples in, like, you all are in Instagram and YouTube. You
Yes.
all are using it. Okay. So there, have you seen any person who is like a beggar who is speaking English fluently? Have you seen that? Then why he is begging?
Dolly chai wala.
Why? No. Why he is begging? If he is well skilled, he know their English is way too good from us. Okay, but why he is doing that thing? Just because of money, right? He's begging for money. He's dying for food. He's well skilled.
He's
If he is
way
well,
too
if he is
talented.
well skilled, then he never ever beg.
You're giving an example. I'm giving an example.
You said any
Okay.
name? You said any name?
I-
Tell any name.
But I'm not sure about the name.
Hmm.
But you all have
I
seen
think
that in
if
our life.
anyone is skilled,
You
anyone
can't
speak
name
well,
if you're talking about an like
they
in a
never
large level way, you can't name anything. You can't like every particular example with name is not possible.
name is not possible. But if you said that if you have a skill, you have a good speaker, then I think never ever the person anytime yes beg on the road.
Then why he's
They
begging?
use
That's
no one is begging. You said
why.
that.
Yeah,
When
but
I
everyone is
that's
agree on
why I
that.
am asking you give
Everyone.
an example.
But
That's
we have
why I am
seen,
asking if
we
you
have seen that
I have
kind of
never seen.
person.
I have never seen.
No,
I have
no,
never
there are
seen.
lots of person. I'm just giving you an example,
Because
but there are
maybe
lots
this
of
it's
person
their choice.
we don't even know.
Maybe it is
But
their
there are
choice.
lots of person we don't even know
Because they doesn't want to do anything.
Yes.
That's why they are doing this type of
Life.
because they are tired. They are
Why
tired.
they
They
are-
are not. They don't want anything in life because they are tired. They get harassed by mentally because they don't have
This
money.
is related
They
to
have
topic.
talent, but they can't do anything. But they can't do anything.
Why did they don't want to do anywhere? If they have a time.
They have talent, they
Every
have skill.
person
Why
every
they have
person
option
is
to do a
not
lots of
that.
work now? Why they are begging?
Every person is not that able. Every person is not that strong, mentally strong to that phase.
Who's a skill person, and he's a
Why he
power.
need to?
So it means that you are supporting money. What is the connection of this topic? Why are you still
He is giving that example ki you don't have like if you have like you need to be talented from
You need to be
to get
prove
money.
it.
Then I'm just giving
need
that
to be proven
opposite
what you are.
example
You
for that.
need to be proven what you are and what
He,
you
the
what you
person
can
is
do in your
talented and
life.
why
First, you
he's
have
begging.
need to prove na. You have deserving candidate for
You need to prove.
Everyone to
You
prove
need to
themselves what
prove.
they-
Then you have to be mentally strong. You have that strong willpower to do that. And
I
there are
have.
lots
I'm
of
mentally strong
you
and
have,
I'm
ma'am. You have, but
yes.
there are lots of people who are not that strong mentally,
First,
physically,
they need to be
and
first they have
socially.
need to be strong. First, they have need to be
They
strong.
need to be, na, but they are not.
They don't need money. They have
They
to.
need.
They
You
need
said,
have to be
ma'am.
strong in your mind. Then they can. Then he earn money.
You said they need to be strong. You can't force and tell
We
someone
can. We
that you
we are
need to
not
be do
forcing
something.
anyone. We
Thank you for watching this video, and this topic is finished, and be patient for the next topic. Tomorrow's topic is offline versus online shopping. Thank you very much, and follow me and comment.